Hi everyone, this is Alma and this is my first time skating. Oh, that's my auto over there. So now my mommy said I need to slightly bend my knees. Here comes Ate! So I need to glide left and right. I'll look at Ate to see if I can improve.
To do basic skating, you need to bend your knees and keep your back straight.
Okay, so my daddy said I need to glide left and right, side to side. Yippee! I'm now standing up on my own. Everyone spend time simply standing in your skates to feel your balance point.
During the practice, it's crucial for kids to wear proper gear like helmets and padding to ensure their safety, especially in case of falls.
Oopsies, but always be sure to wear proper gear to minimize the risk of your injury. Oops! Oopsies!
Take small steps and focus on maintaining your balance.
Oops! Oops! Whoa! 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 Everyone, don't be afraid to fall. It's a part of the learning process. And most importantly, have fun while you're learning. Knees slightly bent. Arms out. Slide side to side. This is me with my ate. Yeah. AnneAndAmor. Okay, bye-bye everyone. AnneAndAmor.